This is the 8th summit that we've held, and it really goes back to my interest in foster care, which goes back to when I started as an assistant county prosecuting attorney, and my job was to represent the local children's services when we had child abuse cases, and we had cases where children had to be taken away from their parents. We bring in experts who are on the panel, but some of the most poignant and most telling comments have come from people who just showed up. These are foster parents. These are people who heard about the public meeting that we're having. They came in and said, hey, I want to tell you about my story. I want to tell you about my experience. I want to tell you what happened with the child I was taking care of. And those have been just very, 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 I think, very heart-wrenching, but also very important. We have some common themes that are coming out in these sessions. I think one is that there's a feeling, and I think it's correct, that we're too anxious, frankly, to put kids back in abusive homes. Sometimes we have to say to these parents who are abusive, who have anger problems, who have drug problems, you know, look, we hope you get your act together. We may pray for you, but this child has to grow up. And this child needs to have a loving home and needs to have stability.